खिलाड़ी वाह वाह, जियो खिलाड़ी वाह वाह।
Namaste and welcome to another episode of Cricket Fan TV. Today we have with us a very special guest, a YouTube celebrity, a Twitter star, Sparsh Talang. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. You
I thought
have
you were
got
talking about me.
you have got to follow his YouTube channel, Cricket with Sparsh, and go and give him a shout out on Twitter as well at underscore cricket sparsh. It's amazing. He's got the best cricketing brains you'll find, and you will be left bewildered. अब थोड़ा हिंदी पे आते हैं क्योंकि ये इंग्लिश थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई मेरे लिए. So Sparsh, how are you doing?
I'm doing good in these times of lockdown. Cricket has been my companion. Cricket, Twitter, people on Twitter. I mean, discussing so much, debating. So in this time of lockdown, cricket has been my major companion, and yeah, that's what I'm doing apart from a few of my academics. So yeah, very happy to be here discussing more cricket with all of you.
So very diplomatic answer from Sparsh. We hope to prick his brains a little and get some more insightful and controversial opinions over the course of this episode. तो मेरे साथ ऑब्वियसली मेरे बड़े भाई जुड़े हुए हैं शुभम पंसारी हु इज आल्सो द स्टार ऑफ दिस चैनल सो शुभम विल आल्सो बी एडिंग हिज इनवैल्यूएबल व्यूज एज वी गो अलोंग सो गाइस लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे क्रिकेट तो कुछ चल नहीं रहा है पर इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि क्रिकेटिंग वर्ल्ड बंद है हर दिन हर दिन क्या हर घंटे कुछ ना कुछ नई खबर आती रहती है और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट खबर ये नहीं कि अगला लॉकडाउन कब खुलने वाला है ये नहीं कि इकोनॉमी का क्या होने वाला है पर ये कि क्या एमएस धोनी रिटायर हो चुका है क्या लगता है स्पर्श
वेल इन माय ओपिनियन एमएस धोनी उन्होंने वर्ल्ड कप के बाद कुछ खेला ही नहीं है मतलब जैसे वो नेट प्रैक्टिस में गए सीएसके का वहां पर भी लॉकडाउन आ गया तो वो भी नहीं कर पाए वो सो मतलब धोनी ही हैज कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट हिज टच विद क्रिकेट एंड as Harbhajan Singh had said in his live video, I feel that we might have seen the last of Dhoni in India's blues. He shall continue playing for CSK, but for India, I feel we have not only moved past him, but Dhoni himself also would not like to play for India again, is what I personally feel.
ब्रो लेकिन तूने एकदम सही बोला लाइक देश में देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग हैपनिंग देयर सो मेनी मिस्ट्रीज पीपल आर थिंकिंग ब्रो कोरोना का सोल्यूशन कहाँ से आएगा वैक्सीनेशन कहाँ से आएगा बट नो दैट इज नॉट मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन धोनी नो वी डोंट केयर अबाउट दैट हमें पता लाइक ऑल दीज प्लेयर्स हु कम ऑन लाइव चैट हु आर ट्राइंग टू स्टे रेलेवेंट रायना धोनी रोहित यूवी सबको दे डोंट आस्क देम हाउ यू आर मतलब वो लोग कैसे नोबडी केयर्स पूछते ए भाई धोनी का क्या सीन है बट honestly I feel that these guys are as clueless about Dhoni's future as we are like Rohit Sharma said stop asking me man like I don't know he just plays and then he goes away he goes to Ranchi and then he doesn't keep contact with us I think that is actually true I like these guys know as little as we do और as far as तो ये तो है कि हमें पता है कि नहीं I think that is a mystery
आई थिंक
like if,
धोनी हैज बिकम लाइक बैटमैन ठीक है जब भी मैच होता है ना वो उड़ के आ जाता है मैच के बाद गायब फिनिश नो वन नोज एंड सुरेश रैना हरभजन ये कौन कौन है इमरान ताहिर ड्वेन ब्रावो ये सब उसके रॉबिन्स है ठीक है वो लोग कभी भी उसके हेल्प करते रहते हैं कुछ कुछ चुगली करते रहते हैं और किसी को आइडिया नहीं कि बैटमैन एक्चुअली कहाँ है एंड आई फील कि जो लॉकडाउन हो रहा है ना इट्स लाइक दे वांट धोनी टू रिटायर लाइक जब भी धोनी ट्राई करता है अच्छा मैं सीएसके के लिए नेट्स में खेलने आऊंगा वापस लॉकडाउन आ जाता है तो इट्स लाइक द वर्ल्ड वांट्स हिम टू रिटायर बट धोनी इज लाइक नहीं मैं अभी भी इंडिया को बचाएगा क्योंकि इंडिया का टाइम खराब चल रहा है और इंडिया का एक ही सेवियर है धोनी एमएस धोनी
Thala Thala as they say. But जहां तक मुझे लगता है धोनी इज नॉट समवन हु विल मेक अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज एंड रिटायर वो चुपचाप अपने आप धीरे से ही विल गो अवे without making a lot of noise. I don't think Dhoni will even ask for a farewell match as most of the other cricketers do. Why?
I do
Well,
agree
because
with
he is
Sparsh on that point about Dhoni going away without making much of a noise. Because, like, who else can leave Test match cricket when he's so close to playing 100 Test matches? Like, usually Indians, and I'm sure if Dhoni wanted to, he could have had a nice farewell match at Ranchi. He could have broken any record he wanted, but he had enough and he said, okay, guys, I'm leaving. Kohli, you can take over. And actually, that transition from Dhoni to Kohli as captain is something we don't really see in Indian cricket. Like usually, a captain, the captaincy changes when something really bad happens. But this was so smooth. Like Dhoni made sure, yeah, aram se the captaincy goes forward, and I'll also stay around for a bit to guide Kohli forward. But now the real question is that धोनी हैज नॉट सेड एनीथिंग कि मैं रिटायर हो रहा हूँ या नहीं मतलब मुझे लग रहा है 1% उसको मन है वापस आने का फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप सो like do we actually think that Dhoni should come back to the team for the better of Indian cricket? Now in my opinion I don't think so. Like with the recent T20 series we had in New Zealand, we did very well without Dhoni and we have a good keeper. I think keeper का तो issue नहीं है, everybody is set on KL Rahul, but that finisher position, personally I think we have the time to mold someone, to give someone the opportunity, be it Manish Pandey. I think right now Manish Pandey is in the scheme of things, who can do that Dhoni role. I don't think Dhoni brings much as a finisher anymore, and I don't think he should even continue, even if he wants to. What do you guys think?
I would say that देखो धोनी के साथ अपना इंडिया का वो इमोशनल फैक्टर लगा हुआ है ओके
Yeah.
But it's like first it was Sunil Gavaskar, then it was Kapil Dev, then it was Sachin. Okay, now that guy is Dhoni. We need that one guy who we are so attached to that he becomes better than the rest of the team. Like he's higher than the rest of the team. ठीक है तो अभी धोनी वैसा स्टेटस पे पहुंच गया है एंड वो जो इमोशनल अटैचमेंट है ना that makes everyone say no, Dhoni should be in the team. Now like rational guys like you, I get it. They're like अरे KL राहुल ठीक कीपर है, बैट्समैन अच्छा है और मतलब वो संभाल लेगा. But KL Rahul as a keeping option is not a long-term option in any format of the game.
So
Right now,
I personally would back Rishabh Pant at number 4. At number 5, I'll play Dinesh Karthik, a very underrated finisher. People don't rate him. If you look at his IPL records, Pandey's strike rate is nearly 145, 150 since the past 2 editions, and he has batted at number 5, number 6. So Pant, Karthik, Hardik Pandya, perfect middle order, finishing भी sorted है, सब कुछ sorted है इस middle order में, is what I feel.
but obviously one person who definitely feels कि धोनी should be in the Indian team is Gautam Gambhir, जो आजकल काफी न्यूज में चर्चित रहता है और हमारे ट्विटर की दुनिया पे काफी फेमस हो चुका है both in India and in Pakistan. And recently Gautam Gambhir released his all-time India Test 11. And just for our viewers to give you a good roundup of his Test 11, उसने openers ढूंढे हैं सुनील गावस्कर and वीरेंद्र सहवाग. 1 down Dravid, 2 down Tendulkar, 3 down Kohli. All-rounder is Kapil Dev, our great Kapil Dev. Wicketkeeper, interestingly, he's gone with MS Dhoni. I think this is a good point of discussion we can have. Then spinners Harbhajan Singh, Anil Kumble, and pacers Zahir Khan, Javgal Srinath. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि इसमें कैप्टन उसने अनिल कुंबले को बनाया है. He has so many potential captains. सुनील गावस्कर, सचिन तेंदुलकर को तो नहीं. सुनील गावस्कर, विराट कोहली, कपिल देव, धोनी. But he's gone with Anil Kumble. What do you think, Shubham? Is this the right Test 11 all time?
See, right or wrong, it is certainly surprising coming from Gambhir because Gambhir just needs an opportunity to let people know that he's not a fan of Kohli or Dhoni. Like I recently saw on the anniversary of our 2011 World Cup win, Ravi Shastri had posted a photo of Dhoni hitting the winning runs, and Gambhir replied to him. He said that World Cup was won because of UV and guys like me, not only Dhoni. Of course, Ravi was not implying that. He was just saying a moment, but he just likes chiming in, you know. So I was surprised when he had Kohli and Dhoni in the team. As far as the team is concerned, honestly, I love Gambhir's team because out of these players, who can you leave out? For me, there may be a debate between Harbhajan and Ashwin, but I'm on the Harbhajan camp. Purely because I know Ashwin has better strike rate, average figures, but purely because of the memories that Bhaji has given us. Like that Australia series at home, like going abroad and, being a fighter, and even outside Test cricket.
You are on the Harbhajan side. I am on the Ashwin side because I don't have many memories of Harbhajan because I could not watch him. Unfortunately, I have started watching cricket off late itself, so I cannot really choose Harbhajan over Ashwin. But if you look at the stats, then Ashwin, he has performed better than Harbhajan in all the 4 innings across a test match. First innings, average strike rate, deklo, second innings, third innings, fourth innings. Everywhere, Ashwin is better than Harbhajan Singh. Also, I feel that, I'm not so sure about this, but Ashwin's capabilities with the bat are higher than that of Harbhajan. So, I personally will have Ashwin in my team. Apart from that, another point of debate can be, where is VVS Lakshman? Why is he not in the side? But again, since I have not watched Lakshman, I cannot comment upon that. Otherwise, I like the look of the team. Another point of debate can be, did we not have a better opener than Sehwag? Because overseas in the Sena countries especially, सहवाग का रिकॉर्ड इतना अच्छा नहीं है. Apart from Australia, I guess बाकी तीनों countries में सहवाग he has struggled. So that's another point of debate. But again, since मैंने सहवाग को ज्यादा देखा नहीं है, मैं इस पे भी comment नहीं कर सकता. So going upon the stats and all, I feel it's a pretty decent side.
I think अश्विन हरभजन का तो पॉइंट ठीक है, बट सहवाग को बाहर नहीं छोड़ सकते यार. Like you need that one uncle in your team who's just enjoying life and is making the match entertaining for you. Like वो जब बैटिंग भी करता है, गाने गाता है और फिर 300 मार देता है, तो अपने को ये बंदा चाहिए. Guys, you all are forgetting the most important question. Anil Kumble is the captain of the team. ये कैसे? अनिल कुंबले इंडिया का कैप्टन 2 साल था. सुनील गावस्कर लाइक 5-6 साल तक, कपिल देव भी उतना ही था, द्रविड़ भी कैप्टन रह चुका है, धोनी भी कैप्टन रह चुका है, बट अनिल कुंबले ये कहां से आ गया?
See, I'll tell you Gambhir's thought process. धोनी को नहीं करना है, कोहली को नहीं करना है. After that, he said, okay, all of these guys are quite popular, like equally good. Then he's like, is there any other way I can get at Kohli? Okay, let me choose Kumble. Because I know इनकी बनती नहीं है, तो when Kumble was coach, we know what happened and we know whose side Gambhir was on. So, see, I think everything Gambhir does, he has that motive. कि how do I tell the audience that I'm not a fan of Kohli or Dhoni? मेरे ख्याल से तो उसका
I
ये
would
था
say
mindset.
between Kohli and Dhoni, if not Kumble, I would go for Kohli in test match cricket. Why? Because पहली बात, statistically Kohli is far better than MS Dhoni, and secondly, there is a new belief in the team that India can win overseas under Virat Kohli. Pace bowlers को आप देख लो, fast bowlers have become so much more better under the captaincy of Virat Kohli, and the best part is that he leads from the front with the bat. Centuries in Australia, England, South Africa, सब जगह जाके he has scored runs. New Zealand is an exception, I agree, but apart from that, Kohli has performed, he has led from the front, और I feel that उसमें वो एक कैप्टनसी का एक वो कैरेक्टर ही है कि हाँ, he is the leader. So apart from that, statistically also Kohli भी बढ़िया है. So I feel Kohli shall be the captain in Test cricket in the all-time Test team.
अब इंडिया के तो काफी बात कर लेगी कैप्टन कौन होना चाहिए, और हम लोग को देखना पड़ेगा. गौतम गंभीर, अपने इस वीडियो को प्लीज देखो और रिप्लाई करो. We would like to have you on our channel because you are obviously India's most controversial son, just like Shoaib Akhtar is Pakistan's. And so yeah, guys, I think this is the end of part 2 of our weekly roundup. It's been a good discussion with Sparsh. Don't forget to follow his multiple social media channels, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel also. तो बेल आइकन है, उसको बजाते रहना, हर बार बजाना, ठीक है? We will keep coming up with amazing content for you, and hope that cricket resumes quickly. Till then, bye.
Hey!